In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to present today. My name is Algi Wahyusubagia. I'm from Polytechnic PGRI Banten, and I'm from class TM 35 and 25. Today I am going to present about continuously variable transmission, or better known as CVT. CVT is one of the most commonly used transmission system in automatic motorcycle. Many people use motorcycle with CVT every day because they are easy to ride, comfortable, and efficient. However, not everyone understands how the CVT system actually works. In my presentation, I will explain the definition and history of CVT, its function, its main components, how it operates, and finally I will compare two well-known CVT brands which are Uma Racing and Daytona. So, this is the outline of my presentation. There are 5 main topics that I will explain. The first topic is identification, where I will introduce what CVT is and its history. The second topic is function, where I will explain why the CVT system is so important. The third topic is part of the machine, where I will describe the main component of a CVT. The fourth topic is how to operate it, where I will explain how the CVT works from starting the motorcycle until it moves. Finally, I will make a comparison between Uma Racing and Daytona based on price, quality, and materials. Now, let's talk about the identification of CVT. CVT stands for continuously variable transmission. Unlike a manual transmission, a CVT doesn't use fixed gear level, such as first gear, second gear, or third gear. Instead, it stands to the gear ratio automatically and continuously according to the engine speed. Because of this system, the rider does not need to shift gears manually. The motorcycle automatically adjusts the transmission to provide smooth acceleration. According to history, the original idea of the CVT was introduced by the famous Italian inventor Leonardo da Vinci around the year 1419. Although the design was created hundreds of years ago, the technology continued to develop and is now widely used in modern automatic motorcycle and even some automatic cars. Today, CVT technology is popular because it provides better comfort, easier operation, and a smoother riding experience. So next, I will explain the main parts of the CVT system. The first component is the variator, also called the drive pulley. Its main function is to change the gear ratio automatically based on engine speed. When the engine rotates faster, the pulley changes its diameter, allowing the motorcycle to accelerate smoothly. The second component is the V-belt. The V-belt connects the front pulley and the rear pulley. It transfers engine power from the variator to the driven pulley. Because it continuously moves during operation, the V-belt should be checked regularly to prevent wear and damage. The third component is the driven pulley. This component receives power from the V-belt and adjusts the transmission ratio according to the motorcycle. The motorcycle can speed and engine load. And the fourth component is the centrifugal clutch. The clutch automatically connects the engine to the rear when the engine reaches a certain RPM. When the motorcycle is idle, the clutch is disconnected. At this engine speed increases, the clutch engine automatic. The last component is the clutch bell. The clutch bell works together with the clutch shoes. It reservoir relation force from the clutch and transfer it to the final drive and then to the rail wheel. All of these components work together to create a smooth, automatic, and efficient transmission system. Now, let's discuss the function of the CVT. The first function is transferring engine power smoothly to the rear wheel. The CVT continuously adjusts the transmission ratio, so power delivery becomes smooth without sudden change. This makes riding more comfortable. And the second function is providing smooth acceleration without manual gear shifting. The rider only needs to twist the throttle and the CVT automatically selects the most suitable gear ratio. This is one of the biggest advantages compared to manual motorcycle. And the third function is improving fuel efficiency. The CVT keeps the engine running on optimal RPM, which helps reduce unnecessary fuel consumption. As a result, the motorcycle becomes more economical for daily transportation. Besides these three functions, the CVT also reduces rider fatigue because there is no need to operate a clutch lever or shift gears repeatedly, especially in heavy traffic. This is why automatic motorcycles are very popular in many countries. Now, I will explain how the CVT system operates. The first step is to start the motorcycle engine. When the engine is idling, the centrifugal clutch has not yet connected to the rail wheel, so the motorcycle does not move. And next, the rider twists the throttle. As engine RPM increases, the variator begins to adjust its pulley diameter. At the same time, the V-belt moves according to the changed pulley diameter. Then, the driven pulley also adjusts automatically to maintain the correct transmission ratio. When the engine speed becomes high enough, the centrifugal clutch engages with the clutch bell. At this moment, engine power is transmitted to the rear wheel, causing the motorcycle to move forward. When the rider increases the throttle, the CVT automatically changes the gear ratio for higher speed. When the rider releases the throttle, the engine speed decreases, the transmission ratio changes again, and the motorcycle slows down smoothly. This entire process happens automatically without the rider needing to change gear manually. And next, finally, I would like to compare two popular aftermarket CVT brands, which are Uma Racing and Daytona. First, let's compare them based on price. Uma Racing products are generally more affordable and so stable for users with a limited budget, and the Daytona products are usually more expensive because they are designed with higher specification and premium manufacturer standard. And second, let's compare them based on quality. Uma Racing provides very good performance for daily riding and light modification. Meanwhile, Daytona is widely recognized for its durability, precision, and stable performance, especially for long-distance riding and high-performance applications. And last, let's compare them based on materials. UMA Racing uses good quality materials that offer a balance between performance and price. They don't often use premium materials with higher resistance to wear and heat, making the component less longer under demanding conditions. In conclusion, if someone wants an affordable upgrade with good performance, UMA Racing is a good option. However, if someone prioritizes durability, premium quality, and long-term performance, Daytona can be the better choice. So, to conclude my presentation, CVT or continuously variable transmission is an automatic transmission system that provides more power delivery without manually gear shifting. Thanks for your attention. I hope this presentation has been useful and has increased your understanding of the CVT system. That is the end of my presentation. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer them. Thank you for all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.